So this is going to be the third work, and I hope I can little bit improve. Last two works were okay. First I will drink a little bit of water. Okay. So let's go. It is 34. I'm just thinking about I will go with very light skin tone over here. Maybe a little bit. I will just draw this entire thing with the red color, red and white, and over here I will use a little bit of purple. And let's begin. Okay, so I'm using Crimson Red over here, Crimson Lake, sorry. Okay, so Crimson Lake. So the earlier white is reacting with Crimson Lake. Okay, so now I'm realizing that I just have messed up. But still, we are practicing over there. I am actually. So who cares? Okay, so 3 minutes have passed, and I have just did it half right now. So I have to increase my speed a little bit more, and I guess it will also help me in when I will do a little bit of life work. So maybe this thing will help me there as well. I just think that I'm just going for that right now. No, now I just realized that for lights I might have should leave the entire white. That might be a little bit more beautiful. So I'm trying over here to achieve that only. So okay, Okay, so now I'm going to add little bit of purple. Maybe I'm going to ruin it, but I am going to use a little bit of purple. That's it. That's it. Now I will use a little bit purple in the eyeballs and all. Maybe I can just use red only over there also. Let me try. Uh, red, red. Uh, not having the reference is really making me pissed right now. If I might have the reference, I might have not did this kind of joke of myself. I think that I'm just making joke when I will post it. If people will see this thing, they will just make a fun out of me because of this, and I hate that right now. Okay, so one of my favorite thing is adding really wide highlights. Now my brush is not, in the my brush is not like properly clean, so it is throwing little bit of reddish highlights. Uh, this is turning out good. Actually, actually, it is turning out quite good. So this will be my first portrait that I is like I'm doing with three colors. I'm doing, sorry. Maybe if I would like to try this with patchwork and I will throw a lot of colors in it. Maybe I will put light over this portion and it will just the reflection of that, this kind of colors will turn this portrait good little bit. Oh, I just forgot the artist name who does like that. Uh, what is his name, yaar? Okay, so 2.5 minutes left. I guess it is coming out quite well. I don't know how I have this much time left still now, but for me it is coming out quite well. So now I'm going to use a little bit of purple for the nostril itself. I'm going to. Oh my goodness! I just messed up the stroke. Okay, so I guess. So just please tell me how this work went because I'm liking this work. I guess sometimes not having a reference, I can do good work as well sometimes. Maybe I have a lot of time in this, and that's why this worked and out that good. Or I really don't know. But one thing is that this work actually turned out good. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of dot over here of purple, and oh no, see, I just put a little bit up, down over there. Oh wait, my time is over. Okay, okay. No worries. Okay, just I know my time is over, but I just want to throw some highlights in her eyeballs. So I'm sorry for that. I know my time is over. Damn, it look good. Like for me, it looked good. Like for the first and second, this the third one is